and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be putting my CatchAll planner together. I kid you not, I did not know that I did not do the monthly setup. I went to go pull out my daily pages. They weren't decorated. They had nothing on them. The calendar was not put together. My master plan hasn't been moved over. I'm like, am I even working on anything? So I'm basically going to do like a video where I am writing, putting things over from one thing to another, and just making sure that I have my life together. Today is the 10th. I did a video for a week 2 budget, and it was empty. And I know that I'm like trying to record and stuff, and I'm not doing anything extra outside of Uber and trying to record for my YouTube videos and, you know, paying off debt and stuff like that. But does that mean that the rest of my life has to be on hold? So because of that, I need to brainstorm, figure out what I'm doing so I can figure out how to balance stuff. Because usually whenever I was working my 9 to 5, I'm working at a computer. I'm thinking, writing down my to-do list, and I can either work on the Etsy orders or I can do whatever. But now if I have any free time, I'm working on YouTube videos, which is budget related or finance related. And if I'm not doing that, I am doing Uber. So I guess the first 10 days of March, I just neglected the planner. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that out so we can get that together. And I'm going to go ahead and play some music. I'm going to try to find some more songs on Epidemic Sound. I really love it. If you have not got Epidemic Sound, I actually paid $128 for the year. And it gave me 60% off if I were to pay, hold on. So it's 128 divided by, so it would have been $10.60. But for the plan that I have is $17. So if I would have paid through the whole year, it would have been $204. So I paid $128. I've actually paid $127 something. So I saved $76 by just doing the annual payment. And now I'm able to have music on both. Now, I did see that you are able to have music on 3 different platforms. And so because I plan on using Epidemic Sound for my vlogging channel, which is going to be outside of the budget and finance life, that is Epidemic Sound that I plan on merging with the other channel, so it will go up. But I did see that I can actually just upgrade it, and if I upgrade it, since it's annual, I can upgrade it to and just pay the difference instead of having to pay that one lump sum at one time. So that actually worked out perfectly, and I will actually do that whenever I start recording. I haven't recorded yet, but that is in the future. Right now, I'm deleting all old platforms that I'm not touching, I'm not using, or whatever. And actually, I see the old stuff, and I'm like, oh, I should just keep it, but I'm not touching it, so I'm deleting everything. All right, so let's go ahead and get my planner out. I did make this planner myself. I do make the covers, and I did get the rings from Amazon, I believe. If not, I got them a long time ago at Michael's whenever they had their sales of like 50% off or 40% off, and I think they actually still have it. So I am just, like I said, I'm just going to be flipping through everything, trying to get it together, because this, I did make these dashboards, which are a digital download in my Ko-Fi. So if you're interested in January through December dashboards, they will be there. But I'm going to have to pull my monthly. I put this is what happened. I pulled this out so I could put it in here, and it was like blank. Like, look how blank it is. Just blank, 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 blank. So I'm moving stuff over, doing everything that I need to in here. And I'll be just playing music. So hopefully you like it. If you have any questions, or if you actually have anything else, pull out your planner so that we can actually do this.
So maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow, can make it grow, can make it grow. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I got. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got. So I changed it, bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow, can make you grow, can make you grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I fly away to a new space. Cause gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow, can make you grow, can make you grow. Sometimes gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow, can make you grow, can make you grow.
Want you to fall in deeper. 보여줘 너의 미소. We're doing a rendezvous, baby, right now. I keep dreaming it's not enough. I pick you up every time we do. We play cause we know this feeling's new. I've been in up, down, girl, since I met you. Oh no. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. Fights if that is you. Swimming over Malibu, it's overdue. Cause the baddest of them is you. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights if that is you. My love, my love, my love. We'll take it by the show. Cause I want you right here when you're calling out. Just tell me you wanted more. Do it night and day, make your body sway. And now I'm floating in your ocean eyes, hypnotized, falling right head over heels. Still lost in your ocean eyes. No surprise, it's you. Yeah. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights if that is you. Swimming over Malibu, it's overdue. Cause the baddest of them is you. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights if that is you. My love, my love, my love. Oh, 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 oh. Cause your love is all I need. Oh, 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 oh. Your love is all I need. Oh no. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. Fights if that is you. Swimming over Malibu, it's overdue. Cause the baddest of them is you. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights if that is you. My love, my love.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you.
While I was doing this, I decided to be on the phone and, chat and keep my mind, focused on rewriting everything from February over to March. Even though March is almost finished, I feel like I still have a lot of stuff to actually do. So let's just do a flip through. I have my dashboards that are, again, on Ko-Fi, January through December. I have two different sets. One of them is more like holiday related and the other one is not. And I decided I'm going to have to do some more thinking about my monthly goals. I feel like I am going to revamp it, think about it a little bit more, and then have this goal page start in April so that I can have this as my outline of what I need to start. And I'm going to use the yearly annual goals that I have set up already in the beginning of the planner, so it can actually help me figure it out. But as of right now, the goals right now, I could say I'm not going to focus on it for the month of March, so this page I am not going to fill out at all. Then I have my 2-page calendar, and it is a little bit different because I don't necessarily have the bills on here. The bills I have the budget planner for, and I also have my bills tab, so that's why I just felt like I didn't need to rewrite it like 50 different times in here. I'm not even, if I want to do anything financial, I'm going to pull out the other book. And then I also have my monthly overview for all my bills and the income and everything that I have that is expected. So I do want to do an update on this, so while I'm paying the bills, I want to see the actual amount that I'm paying here, so I can see that most of them are paid and have that updated. Then I have my self-care. I think the self-care, I'm just going to do something simple. During the date, I'm going to go get my manicure, my pedicure, the eyebrows. I'm going to go, of course, I'm going to grab something to eat. I'm kind of indecisive about the movie, but I want to get a head massage this time. Instead of like a body massage, I want to get like a shoulder, neck, and head massage. And so I saw that, and that's one of the things I'm going to do. For the last 3 weeks of March, I'm going to try to walk 30 minutes at least 3 times a week. And I'm going to do more reading books, financial books, self-help, fantasy. It doesn't matter what type of book. I just feel like those are my 2 hobbies or habits that I'm trying to get into. And I'm going to track them to see how many times I could do it with the last 3 weeks of March. And then I have my master to-do list has everything from Etsy to Ko-Fi, personal, and then for like the kids or like future things, future products, things that I actually want to look into, and just like different income streams and stuff like that. So that's the master to-do list. This one was actually created in September, and I saw a couple things on here, but because it doesn't look like I need to rewrite it, I just went ahead and just stuck it in here because it's actually pretty cute being on the September page. And then I have my to-do list, which is my breakdown that I do daily, and I have my things that I want to do first, and then my to-do list, and I have like the schedule. So I have not been doing this, like I said, though. That's the reason for me updating everything. Today is actually Wednesday, so this was from last week, so I will be doing a whole new page here for the Wednesday so I can make sure I have everything updated. But that's what I have in this section. Of course, I have the next month, and this is my April divider. And it just starts all over with the layout. So as of right now, I am just going to try to see how much of this March I can actually knock out. And with it being March, I want to use this green highlighter to, I'm really struggling. I want to use this green highlighter so whenever it's actually done, I can mark it out and see how much I have done with it. So I'm going to try to keep this near this planner as much as possible. But I'm going to go ahead and let y'all go. Thank y'all so much for being here and jamming out with me. Y'all stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay safe. Bye, guys.